ability to listen and learn. The strength lies within the Māori Nation. The Māori Nation has established in the 30 years what we have tried for the past 50, 60 years and are still trying to do.
He whakakotahi o te iwi Māori me te iwi taketake o hei te reiria.
It's about capacity building, it's about economic development, it's about intergenerational wealth that will build our future. We were given a $1.3 billion single Nyunga claim settlement, the biggest in Australia.
Ko tai mai te iwi taketake o Whadjuk Aboriginal Corporation ki roto o tautahi. Hei whakawhiti ngā mātauranga ki te iwi o Ngāi Tahu. Hei tā Ben Bateman, I rangona e rātou ngā manuhiri I te whakatau kerēme o Ngāi Tahu me te ara I whaia e rātou.
Just giving them a bit of a context of our settlement journey right the way through to kerēme, and then also over the last 25 years, what are some of those learnings we've had as an organisation, as te runanga. And then we had a kōrero around tourism, and then we also took them through some elements around mokauri.
No te taurua manorua te kaumātahi I whakatūturu ai ko te whakataunga Southwest Native Title. Ko te tahi o ngā hua I puta mai o te whakataunga ko te Whadjuk Aboriginal Corporation. Hei tā te heamana a Charne Hayden, he motuhake tēnei tūtakinga o ngā iwi e toru, kia whai maramatanga tōna ake iwi, kia hāpai ake I tōna hāpori ki te kāinga.
Well, what we actually want to do to be a leaders, we have to be, we're metropolitan, and everybody comes to our Whadjuk lands to trade, to converse, to have meetings. So when we got this invitation, the beauty of this was, you mob, we're going to make a decision, we're going to take this group over. The opportunity here is not about going over for holidays, it's going over to partner.
Ko tōna flevo me te kāhui o Waikato tainui tērā e arahi ana I tēnei iwi taketake. Ko rātou te iwi tuatahi ki te whakatau kerēme, e whakatakoto ana e flevo I ngā piki me ngā heke o tā rātou whakataunga kerēme.
We've traversed a lot of kōrero around a range of different kaupapa, education, tai ao, te reo, cultural revitalisation, housing developments, and then we did our commercial as well. One of their key kaupapa that they really wanted to understand again is because they've got big land mass, so they wanted to understand how they connect. How does Ngāi Tahu do it? To connect with the communities, to make sure that everyone remains united and as one.
We're being invited to sit at the table with you all, all your people, to say, you don't need this, you don't need that government to tell you what to do. You have the opportunity to do it and walk forward, and that's what we want to take back to our people.
Me te mana ko ia, ka hoki atu ēnei mātauranga ki tā rātou ake kāinga. Kia āhei rātou ki te whakawhanake, I ā rātou anō. Shakayla Andrews-Alapaki, Tahu News.
Anyone else wants to come in?